solder to go around those copper connections. Now this one here I use a lot because it's nice and small and neat, and it makes a little short fire that's really powerful, and it gets the job done on anything from like ½ inch up to 1 inch copper pipe. But more than most likely I would use this only on ½ and 3/4 inch. 1 inch pipe I might come up a little higher on the tip. And as you can see, it just pops in there. You pull the little ring back, pop it in, and it's ready to go. For a lot of guys out there just getting out into the trade, it's a good idea to have your own setup. You can go to a lot of companies and work for them, and almost every company will tell you the same thing, that we don't want you using your tools. But me, honestly, I don't really pay too much attention to that. I still bring my own with me, and I keep quite a bit of tools with me. If I'm going to be on a copper crew that's just running copper pipes and water lines, I'm going to have this set up with me. If I'm going to do PVC, running waste, vent, and drain, I'm going to have another different set of tools with me. I'm going to always be prepared for what they have, because you never know. And if you're on a job site, you're going to see that most plumbers, especially the ones that are running copper pipe, are going to always have their striker right by their side and just looped into their belt buckle, their belt loop. And this one is pretty worn out, so I need to switch over to a decent flint. And flint means the part that starts the ignite and light the flame. All right, this is just giving you an idea how to change out the or flip the flint over to a decent flint with this particular striker. You can see I had 2 other flints on there previous, but I kind of wore those out. Had a lot of work going on.